Today we are doing a QWO procedure, and QWO is a treatment that will get rid of cellulite. There are not a lot of treatments that will do that. You've got liposuction and you've got QWO. So this is an easy in-office procedure and you are watching it right now. And what it does is it breaks down the fibrous tissue around the fat globules, which makes the dimpling with cellulite. And as you break those down, though, those fibrous strands also support blood vessels. So there is quite a bit of bruising after the procedure, so you don't want to do it before you go on a vacation, but right before you go on a vacation. But if you want to do it 3 months before you go on a vacation or 2 months before you're on a vacation, your buttocks will look beautiful. It is typically 3 treatments separated by 3 weeks. And the final results are 3 to 4 weeks after the 3rd treatment. So it takes anywhere from 2 to 3 months from start to finish. But it is really awfully easy and revolutionary because we really haven't had an injectable ever like this before. So it's FDA cleared and we love it. So with really minimal downtime. And you can see how simple it is to do just in the office. Deborah is a very qualified aesthetic nurse. She's been injecting for over 15 years, and she is the one currently doing QWO. She is an RN and does all of these injections in our office. We also have a nurse practitioner, Cassandra, and 2 other physicians, Dr. Krusniak and Dr. Vakil, as well as myself, that do these injections. You really need to make sure you go to a qualified provider if you're going to do procedures like this, or really like any kind of aesthetic procedure. This feels like just a poke. It's a tiny poke, really tolerable. Just about feels like Botox in your butt, really. And if I can do it, anybody can do it. And I have done this before, even myself. So the things that you do need to think about, though, is just afterwards. It is sore. Your bottom will be sore. It'll be a little hard to work out if you have a jiggly bottom. And you may not want to sleep on your back because it is, like I said, sore. You can have some swelling. You can even have some fullness in the areas where there were injections done. And then, of course, most impressively is the bruising that happens afterwards. Bruising dissipates over the course of about a week or so, though, so it doesn't have to be terrible. But you definitely would want to do it not right before you get into a bikini, because you will definitely see bruises happening there. But the needles are very small, the injections are quick, so the entire procedure takes less than 10 minutes. So it's very, very quick and simple. But you should be done by an experienced injector, like Deborah. Deborah's our queen of QWO. If you are interested in learning more about it, you can find out more information on our website at RejuvenationMDMedspa.com.